What happens is on Steal the Deal, we will show you the product and then we will show you the most incredible low price. This is 38 individual amber stones. It's sterling silver. It is the most beautiful piece of jewellery. It's not only the oldest of stones, anywhere up to 360 million years of age. They're all handcrafted, they're all hand cut, and they are beautiful.
Are you ready? It's unique, it's amber, it's organic, it's a little bit of history around your wrist, it's got sterling silver in it as well. Are we ready for the price? $9.99.
I know, it is just astonishing.
Is that what you do here on Bid TV? Should we open the phone lines, Peter?
That's over to you.
Sure? Okay, let's do it. Let's open the phone
lines are open now. You've got a chance to get this at $9.99. It's a steal of a deal with the first people to get it. 0904 251 2000. Please don't wait on the phones. It is a better buy to you than we can tell you. It's a we told you it would be a steal of a deal. At $9.99 it was a better buy to you than we could have even imagined. It's going to go even lower. There is only one winner buying this, and that's you at home. That's how Steal of a Deal works. It's about the quantities and it going out. Once it's gone, it's gone. Well done if you got this. It's going to... Can I just tell you, our producer Thea went, that is... And it is now have the lines jammed. It's lower. It is just... It's the sort of night when you have something like this. I get genuinely proud when I work, and it's a better buy to you than we could have ever got. So at $7.99, it's going even lower. It's $5.99. 0904 251 2000. Good luck if you get it. It's going even lower, and I can tell you no more than this is simply the best buy of the entire day. We certainly wanted a lot more than $9.99 for this piece. At $24.99, it was a terrific buy. It's gone at $5.99 at $186. It's going even lower. Everybody pays the lowest price at $4.99, less than a fiver.